What's going on, YouTube? We are back on the water here today. The water's super murky. Not a whole lot of wind. Probably gonna be a real hot day. It's just been insane here in Florida. Do a little island hopping today. Probably try to find the trout on artificials. No live bait today as of right now. We do have the bait net, so we can always throw out, try to get some bait. But we're gonna throw the Z-Man around for a little bit, see if we can get on some trout, look for the reds, really just see what's out here. So I appreciate you guys coming along. Let's get it going. Wouldn't mind like hooking up with like a little pinfish or something, just to use as cut bait. Yeah, if you get any like pinfish, keep them. At least like the first like 1 or 2 that you get. All right, we're here trying to get the skunk off early. Just doing a few casts over here. Maybe try to go for the trout pretty early here. Try to get the monkey off our back. We did some land-based fishing pretty recently. Got a couple of nice trout out there. Also ended up getting some a nice pompano, 13.5-inch pompano. So that was real cool. It was just more of a casual fishing trip. We're just kind of hanging out more than anything. And I had the GoPro with me, but I wasn't recording when I got the pompano. I did kind of record when I put him in the cooler and measured him up. So I'll include that clip. You ready to move out to the deeper hole over there, Nate? Yeah, let's do it. All right, probably throw around here for a bit. A little bit of some deeper water. Might be some trout holding it on there. So I'll give it a shot here. Let me fix this anchor. I don't want to be facing that direction. Oh, is that probably a duck? And ducks all around this beast. Oh, just got a hit. Almost first hit of the day, first official hit of the day. Actually wouldn't mind getting on like a pinfish or something, that way we can use it as cut bait, because really have no live bait. And at the launch it was just way too murky. I couldn't even see in the water to try to get any kind of bait. Did one blind cast of the net and didn't get anything. Oh my gosh, this thing's all twisted up. All right, it's a good sign though, something was interested. Give it another go. Oh, there we go. All right, we got a fish on, and it is our first fish of the day. Is that a pinfish? Oh, that might be our bait. That's gonna be our bait right there. So we'll be saving this guy. I don't want to drop him on my foot. That's gonna suck. But we'll save this guy and then cut him up for bait. When we go for the reds later, just chunk them up. Perfect. So this is one of those few times I am happy to have a pinfish on board. Can I drink rum now that I caught a fish?
Go ahead.
Sweet. But we'll wait. We'll wait a little bit. All right, so we moved up a little bit into a bit of some deeper water, and we'll just kind of keep inching our way up here until we're pretty much in the mangroves. There's some good little holes, little drop-offs, patches. We're gonna be fishing, so see if we can get some nice trout out of this hole. I've seen a lot of bait swimming around, so it's always promising. Okay, there we go. Feels decent. Oh yeah, that feels decent. Ooh, yeah. That's a good sign. Not a bad trout. See if we can get him in the net. All right, bro. Trout City, man. Oh. All right, so that was on the Z-Man. Little 3-inch jerk shad. And I think he'll be, ooh, that hook caught my glove. He should be in the keeper range. He's got some nice spots. It's almost like a leopard kind of pattern with his spots. But that is a good looking fish there. And probably get some B-roll of him. But I'm pretty sure he's gonna keep. If I had to guess, I'd say probably about 15, 16 inches. So first fish of the day on the Z-Man. Cool beans. We'll bag him up. We'll measure him in a second, bag him up, and he's bleeding, it looks like. Oh, is he? I don't know what's going on with his tail there. It's a little weird. I wonder if he got chased down by something. All right, you know, let's go ahead and measure him now just so we know. 16.5, almost 17-inch trout to start the morning. Got Nate Dog in the backdrop there. All right, cool. All right, so we're back up. I was recording and then I stopped recording and now we're recording again. And we've got another trout and he's making runs. He's making runs. Another not bad sized trout. So, welcome aboard. All right, so that is trout number 2 for us. And again on the 3-inch Z-Man jerk shad. It's a smoky shad color, I think is what that's called. This guy will be pretty close to a keeper, I think. He's actually decently fat too. And he does measure out. He'd be the right one to keep. And he is 16.5. He's almost the same size as the other one. So that's our second trout that we got on artificial.
All right.
And
Pinfish.
oh, Nate's got his pinfish there. So he's got his bait set for the time being when we switch to live bait or cut bait. And that is another trout. So gorgeous specimen. We'll bag him up. Oh, Nate's up. Oh yeah, I think you got a trout there, Nate. Looks like Nate's first fish of the day right there. Looks like it'd be a decent sized trout. Get him, Nate.
Trout.
Nice. Oh, womp, womp, womp. Still early though, you can make up for it. This small trout. It's a baby. All right, stay buckled up. Stay buckled up, baby. Small trout. He hit that like right next to the kayak too. He had a couple of other ones with him. Oh, okay. Man, baby trout. Oh, if he was 20, I think he'd be making some runs. He's staying deep though. He's staying deep. He's not bad. I can tell you he doesn't like the net, that's for sure. Dude, he's doing such a good job at avoiding the net. What do we got here? Till he's 14, he'd be an inch short anyway. He fought hard though. So let's see if we can keep him away from the bird. We'll psych the bird out and then actually put him over there. Triz out into his house. Yeah, this one's a baby one too. It's just a baby. Hooked right in the nostril. Dang. Get you out of there. Charter Oak, Broadleaf, Connecticut, Maduro. All right, tide's come up a bit. We're gonna look for some late afternoon reds here. Actually, early afternoon reds. It's still pretty early in the day. It's not even noon yet. But tide's pretty high. Not quite at its pinnacle, but it's getting there. So we're trying out some cut pinfish here in the mangroves. Tide's come up a little bit. It's almost high tide. All right, Nate's on. I think he was on with a you were using that cut bait, right? Yeah. Nice. On a cut pinfish. Is it looking like, Nate? Is it looking like a redfish? It's a red. He said it's a red. That's what I like to hear. Nate got himself a 20-inch redfish. Look at that. Cut pinfish. You believe in the cut pinfish now, Nate? I don't think you were a believer at first. All right, we're on. That was on the cut pin. It looks to be a red. Stay out of the mangrove. Oh, good red. Ooh, that was some tough work to try to get him out from around that pole. Whew. Let's go. That is our first red of the day on the cut pinfish, and he swallowed that thing. We really let him eat that. Beautiful fish. Exactly what we came out here for. Beautiful red. Will be about every bit of 20 inches, I'd say. Awesome fight. Pumped. Let's go. We'll get this, probably just cut the hook out of him. It's really down in there. But let's go ahead and get a measure now. Off the board, yeah, about 20-ish. 20-ish. Hey, Nate. 20. Yeah. Let's go ahead and bag this guy up and bleed him out, bag him up, and wipe off this shitty leg situation. Cool. All right, last look. 20-inch red out here, Shell Key. Thank you for your sacrifice, buddy. Go ahead and bleed you out, bag you up. All right, look at that. Nate's on now. Wow. Back-to-back reds. It might be that magic hour. That's on his brand new Bulls Bay Banshee. Jealous. I need a new setup. And Nate has sparked up his cigar. Little Florida Man. Smoking a little Florida Man. Got a HVC Pan Caliente. All right, guys, so we are calling it a day. It is just way too piping hot. I would love to get that last trout, but I just can't stand this heat anymore. So we're gonna head in. It was definitely a good day here. Got a keeper red. Nate had 2 keeper reds, and then I had a couple of trout, so almost limited out on the trout. But yeah, piping hot day. Bite was hot. I appreciate you guys watching. If you got any questions, leave those down below. Don't forget to hit the like button if you like this video, and don't forget to subscribe. Also hit the notification bell if you want to be notified of videos in the future. I appreciate you guys watching, and I will see y'all next time.